So, let's start. Number 10, fusion energy, the search for nearly unlimited power. For decades, scientists have been working toward recreating the same process that powers the sun. This process is called nuclear fusion, where small atoms are forced together to form a larger one, releasing enormous amounts of energy in the process. Unlike coal, oil, or gas, fusion does not produce carbon emissions during operation, and unlike traditional nuclear fission, it does not create long-lasting radioactive waste in the same way. Because of this, fusion is often described as one of the most promising future energy sources ever imagined. The difficulty comes from the conditions needed to make fusion happen. Atoms only fuse under extreme pressure and temperatures reaching over 100 million degrees Celsius. At that level, matter turns into plasma, a superheated state that cannot touch any solid surface. To control it, scientists use powerful magnetic fields inside complex machines called tokamaks or stellarators. Even with advanced designs, keeping the reaction stable for more than a few seconds or minutes has been a major challenge for decades. Despite these difficulties, progress in recent years has been steady and encouraging. New experiments have managed to produce more energy than older systems, and better superconducting magnets have improved stability. Artificial intelligence is also being used to predict plasma behavior and adjust conditions in real time. While fusion power plants are not yet part of everyday life, many researchers believe the gap between experiments and practical energy production is narrowing. If fusion becomes commercially viable, it could completely change global energy systems. Electricity could become far more abundant, and industries that depend on large energy consumption could expand. Clean water production, space exploration, and manufacturing could all benefit from a stable, powerful energy source. Fusion remains difficult, but it continues to be one of the most important scientific goals of this century. Number 9, brain-computer interfaces. Scientists are developing technology that allows direct communication between the human brain and external machines. These systems, called brain-computer interfaces, work by detecting electrical signals produced by neurons and translating them into digital commands. This means that thoughts can, in some cases, be used to control computers, robotic devices, or communication tools. Early versions of this technology have already shown real results. Some patients with paralysis have been able to move robotic arms or control computer cursors using only their brain activity. In other cases, individuals who lost the ability to speak have used neural implants to generate words on a screen. These achievements are still limited in speed and accuracy, but they show that direct brain-to-machine communication is possible. Researchers are now working to improve precision, reduce invasiveness, and expand the range of applications. Future versions of brain-computer interfaces may help restore movement, speech, or vision for people with severe neurological conditions. Some scientists are also exploring whether these systems could help better understand brain disorders such as epilepsy, Parkinson's disease, or memory loss. There are still major challenges to solve. The brain is extremely complex, and interpreting its signals reliably is difficult. There are also important concerns about safety, privacy, and how much access technology should have to human thought patterns. Even with these challenges, progress continues quickly, and this field may eventually change how humans interact with technology at a fundamental level. Number 8, lab-grown human organs. One of the biggest problems in modern medicine is the shortage of donor organs for transplantation. Thousands of patients around the world wait for heart, kidney, or liver transplants, and many never receive them in time. To address this issue, scientists are developing methods to grow human organs in laboratories using living cells. The process involves taking biological cells and encouraging them to grow into structured tissues. In some cases, scientists use biodegradable scaffolds that act as frameworks, allowing cells to attach and develop into more complex structures. In other approaches, advanced bioprinters place cells layer by layer to build tissues with precise shapes. While still experimental, these methods have already produced functioning tissues and partial organ structures. The long-term goal is to create fully functional organs that can be transplanted into patients. If successful, this would reduce or even eliminate waiting lists for donor organs. Another advantage is compatibility, since organs grown from a patient's own cells may be less likely to be rejected by the immune system. This could improve survival rates and reduce complications after surgery. However, building full organs is extremely complex. Human organs contain blood vessels, nerves, and multiple interacting systems that are difficult to replicate. Scientists are making progress step by step, but complete artificial organs are still in development. Even so, regenerative medicine is advancing quickly and may eventually transform the entire field of transplantation and healthcare. Number 7. Quantum computing, machines that think in probabilities. Quantum computing is one of the most unusual technologies scientists are working on today because it does not follow the normal rules of computing. Traditional computers process information using bits, where each bit is either a 0 or a 1. Everything from video games to space calculations depends on that simple system. Quantum computers work differently. They use qubits, which can exist in multiple states at the same time due to a property called superposition. This comes from the strange behavior of particles at the quantum level, where reality does not behave in a fixed or predictable way. This ability allows quantum computers to explore many possibilities at once, instead of testing them one by one. For certain problems, this could lead to extremely fast calculations that would take normal supercomputers thousands of years to complete. Scientists believe quantum computing could transform fields like chemistry, where simulating molecules could help design new medicines. It could also impact cryptography, artificial intelligence, logistics, and material science. Some problems that are currently considered impossible could become solvable with the right quantum system. The challenge is that qubits are extremely fragile. They can lose their quantum state very easily due to heat, vibration, or even tiny environmental changes. This process is called decoherence, and it makes stable quantum computation very difficult. To reduce this, scientists use extremely cold temperatures close to absolute zero and highly isolated environments. Even then, errors are common, and building reliable systems requires complex correction methods. Despite these difficulties, progress continues at a steady pace. Research labs and technology companies are building increasingly powerful prototypes with more stable qubits and better error correction. Each generation improves performance and reduces instability. While large-scale quantum computers are still not available for everyday use, the technology is advancing quickly, and many researchers believe it could eventually become one of the most powerful tools ever created for solving complex scientific problems. Number 6, artificial intelligence beyond human-level tasks. Artificial intelligence has already become part of modern life in ways that are often unnoticed. It recommends videos, helps translate languages, assists in navigation, and even powers customer service systems. However, current AI is still limited to specific tasks. Scientists are now working toward much more advanced systems that can reason, adapt, and learn in ways that are closer to human thinking. Future AI systems are expected to process information more deeply and handle complex problems that require long-term planning. In science, AI could analyze massive data sets from space telescopes, particle accelerators, or medical research far faster than humans ever could. It may help discover new drugs, predict natural disasters more accurately, and design materials with specific properties. In engineering, AI could assist in building more efficient machines, infrastructure, and transportation systems. One of the most interesting directions is the idea of AI systems that can improve themselves. Instead of simply following instructions, these systems could refine their own performance over time. This could lead to rapid advances in capability, especially in research-heavy fields. At the same time, this possibility also makes safety and control a major focus for scientists. Ensuring that AI systems behave predictably and remain aligned with human goals is one of the biggest challenges in the field. Even with these challenges, AI development is accelerating quickly. New models are becoming more capable in language, reasoning, and problem solving. Many experts believe AI will become one of the most important tools in human history, not just for automation, but for expanding what humans are able to discover and create Number 5, space manufacturing and orbital industry. Space exploration has traditionally focused on reaching new destinations, but scientists are now developing a different idea: building and producing things in space itself. This concept is known as space manufacturing, and it could lead to the creation of entire industries operating in orbit around Earth. In the microgravity environment of space, materials behave differently than they do on Earth. Without gravity pulling everything downward, certain processes can produce more uniform crystals, stronger alloys, and more precise structures. Scientists are studying how these conditions could be used to manufacture advanced materials that are difficult or impossible to produce on Earth. This includes specialized medical compounds, high-performance fibers, and electronic components with improved properties. Another major area of development is building infrastructure directly in orbit. Instead of launching fully assembled satellites from Earth, future missions may send individual parts that are constructed in space. This approach could reduce costs and allow for much larger structures such as space stations, telescopes, or solar power systems that collect energy and transmit it back to Earth. There are still major challenges that need to be solved before space manufacturing becomes practical. Launching materials into orbit is still expensive, and maintaining equipment in space requires advanced robotics and automation. Harsh conditions such as radiation and extreme temperatures also make long-term operations difficult. However, the rise of reusable rockets and private space companies is lowering costs and increasing access to orbit. If these developments continue, space could eventually become a place of regular industrial activity rather than just exploration. Manufacturing, construction, and energy production could all expand beyond Earth, creating a new layer of technological development above the planet's surface. Number 4. Nanotechnology, machines built at the atomic scale. Nanotechnology focuses on building and controlling materials at an extremely small scale, often at the level of atoms and molecules. At this scale, matter behaves differently, and scientists can design structures with properties that do not exist in natural materials. The idea is to create machines so small that millions of them could fit inside a grain of sand. These tiny systems could perform tasks in medicine, manufacturing, and electronics with extreme precision. One of the most promising applications of nanotechnology is in medicine. Researchers are exploring nanoparticles that could travel through the bloodstream and deliver drugs directly to specific cells. This could allow treatments to target diseases like cancer without damaging healthy tissue. Other ideas include nano devices that repair damaged cells or help detect illnesses at very early stages, long before symptoms appear. In material science, nanotechnology could lead to stronger, lighter, and more durable substances. By controlling structures at the atomic level, scientists can design materials with unique electrical, thermal, or mechanical properties. This could improve everything from airplanes to smartphones, making them more efficient and long-lasting. Even everyday products could become more advanced without becoming larger or heavier. The challenge is that working at this scale is incredibly complex. Atoms do not behave like normal objects, and controlling them requires highly specialized tools and environments. Researchers are still developing reliable ways to build and manipulate nanoscale systems. Despite these difficulties, progress continues steadily, and nanotechnology is already starting to appear in certain medical and industrial applications. Number 3, genetic engineering and human DNA design. Genetic engineering is the science of modifying DNA, the biological code that determines how living organisms grow and function. Scientists are now developing tools that allow them to edit genes with high precision. One of the most important breakthroughs in this field is a technology that works like molecular scissors, capable of cutting and modifying specific sections of DNA. This allows researchers to remove harmful mutations or introduce beneficial changes. In medicine, genetic engineering could help treat or even prevent certain inherited diseases. Conditions caused by single genetic mutations may one day be corrected before they develop. Researchers are also studying ways to enhance the body's ability to fight infections or repair damaged tissues. This could lead to more effective treatments and improved long-term health outcomes. Beyond medicine, genetic engineering could also impact agriculture and food production. Scientists are working on crops that grow faster, resist pests, or survive in harsh environments. This could improve food security in regions affected by climate change or limited resources. Animals and microorganisms can also be modified for research or environmental purposes. However, changing genetic code raises important ethical and safety questions. DNA changes can sometimes have unexpected effects, and altering human traits brings complex moral debates. Scientists are carefully studying how to control these technologies responsibly. Even with these concerns, genetic engineering is advancing quickly and may eventually reshape how humans understand and interact with life itself. Number 2, interstellar travel concepts, reaching other stars. Humanity has already sent spacecraft beyond the edge of our solar system, but the distances between stars are so vast that current technology makes interstellar travel extremely difficult. Even the nearest star systems are trillions of kilometers away, and traditional rockets would take tens of thousands of years to reach them. Because of this, scientists are exploring new concepts that could make interstellar travel possible in the future. One idea involves using extremely fast propulsion systems, such as light sails powered by lasers. In this approach, a thin spacecraft would be pushed by powerful beams of light, gradually accelerating to a significant fraction of the speed of light. Another concept includes nuclear fusion propulsion, where controlled fusion reactions could produce far more thrust than chemical rockets. These ideas are still experimental, but they show possible paths forward. There are also theoretical concepts that involve bending space itself. Some physics equations suggest that space could be compressed in front of a spacecraft and expanded behind it, allowing faster travel across vast distances. These ideas remain highly speculative and have not been demonstrated, but they appear in serious scientific discussions about the future of physics and space exploration. The main challenge is energy. Reaching other star systems requires enormous amounts of power, far beyond what current technology can produce or store efficiently. Engineering limitations also make it difficult to design spacecraft that can survive long journeys through radiation and interstellar dust. Despite this, research continues because the potential reward is enormous, the ability to explore other worlds beyond our solar system. Number 1. Human enhancement technologies expanding human ability. Scientists are developing technologies that could extend or enhance human abilities beyond natural limits. This includes improvements in physical strength, memory, sensory perception, and even cognitive performance. Some of these advancements come from medicine, while others come from electronics, neuroscience, and biotechnology working together. One area of development involves advanced prosthetics. Modern prosthetic limbs are becoming more responsive and can sometimes be controlled directly through nerve signals. Future versions may feel more natural and allow for precise movement that closely matches biological limbs. Researchers are also working on sensory devices that could restore hearing or vision in more advanced ways than current implants. Another area focuses on cognitive enhancement. Scientists are studying methods to improve memory, attention, and learning ability through both biological and technological means. This includes non-invasive brain stimulation techniques and potential brain-computer integration systems that could assist mental processing. While still early, these ideas could eventually help people learn faster or process information more efficiently. There are also ideas related to physical enhancement, such as materials or medical treatments that improve endurance, healing speed, or resistance to disease. However, these developments raise important ethical questions about fairness, safety, and how such technologies should be used. Researchers continue to study these issues carefully while improving the underlying science. If these technologies continue to develop, the definition of human ability could gradually expand. Medicine, neuroscience, and engineering may combine in ways that change how people interact with their own bodies and capabilities. Thank you for watching and sticking till the end. We've got plenty more videos coming in the future. Hit that subscribe button so you don't miss them. See you in the next one.